Okay, so what we have here is a mixing, now I'm going to do it by hand today, folks, is a mixing bowl full of my bread starter slurry. All I do is before I go to bed, I put flour, sugar, and water and a bit of yeast, and I whisk it together and I cover it and I put it in my oven overnight. I don't even put the light on because it gets too hot in the oven. Okay, so this is what I woke up to. Isn't that lovely? Okay, now I am going to beat in an egg. You don't have to do this. This alone with some flour will make you bread, okay? But I like mine a little richer if I can afford it. So I still have eggs. So I put an egg in there. Howie left a quarter cup of his milk from breakfast there. Gonna add a little bit of avocado oil there. And, oh, Gracie, hush. Now I'm just going to whisk this all in here. I hope I am not wasting anything trying this on the wood stove. Okay, we need some flour. Whoa, I think I put too much in there. And just like with the sticky buns, I'm just gonna scoop this off. Gracie, what? There's nothing there for you. Oh yeah, she smells her treats from Aunt Linda. Oh, now I'm just gonna take my spatula and I'm just gonna start folding this flour in here, adding some if I need it, but I just want it thick enough to pour onto the board with the flour. The apron I'm wearing says, shut your lid and can it. This apron, although you can't see it, but you'll notice it after, is from my friend Sherry Harris Holcamp from Two Family Homestead and Nana's Menagerie, who passed away earlier in the year. We miss you, Sherry. We love you. We think of you. Okay, now that should be thick enough. I can add a bit of water or flour here. Now I don't add my salt directly to the slurry all the time because it can kill the yeast. So I'm just going to add it to my flour and work it in. And then we're just going to take this dough, we're going to scrape it out. Sorry folks, I am right-handed. This is pretty wet. But I'm just going to start folding it first. Because remember how liquidy this was. And I'm tired of getting stuff stuck to my hands. So we're just going to fold. All right, now I can really get in here. Fold and push. Fold and push. Turn, fold and push. There we go. Now first, before I put my bread in there, I'm going to sift this flour. I'm doing it in the tin because I'm going to be using the tin, and it's long enough that I can make this side-by-side motion. See, you get the little bits of bread. You get the little bits of bread dough out of there, and the rest you just pour right back in. Do not waste anything, folks. All right, now. I think I'm going to give this one more knead. It's actually quite sticky, but there we go. Just like that. And when this rises into the wood stove oven, it's going to go with fingers crossed. This is pushing the edge of my experience. Now, I've decided that since I'm going to try and make bread on the wood stove, I thought it would be much nicer if we could have it with homemade chicken soup. Well, not exactly chicken soup. This is chicken and turkey broth from 2023. This is turkey broth from 2021. We have dehydrated carrots, dehydrated potatoes, frozen onions, frozen celery, Bob's your uncle. That's soup, okay? That's one thing I love about my home canning is that, whoops, well, I'm gonna let you watch what I'm doing here. Home canning, oh my God, is one of the best ways to make your life, look at the size of that meat, to make your life easier. All right, now, I'm gonna add some onion, some celery, some carrots. Believe me, that's a lot. And taters. Now, I don't salt my broth a lot. I don't season it because I have a tendency to season at the time of making. So here's a 3-finger pinch of salt, garlic, lots of garlic. It's that time of year when garlic's really good for cold and flu season. And thinking of that, I'm going to add some more onion. You know why, folks? Onion and garlic have antibiotic properties. We don't want to get sick in February. There we go. Now, look at that. That is going on the wood stove. Alrighty. I've got... my soup was boiling. So I put it on a wire rack so that it's a couple inches off the stove. Look at that. And now, real quick, while the heat, we want to leave the heat in. I'm going to do this so that if the bread will cook better and hopefully it won't stick. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to have a quick peek of my bread here. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at our soup. Bubbling away. Alrighty. Alrighty. I'm going to check on the bread and put some noodles in the soup. Let's see how our bread's doing. Oh, not quite, almost there. And here is a 1-egg recipe of homemade egg noodles. And we're just going to stir them in there. Oh yeah, baby. You look at that. Alrighty. Okay, folks. Howie's going to be home in a minute. And now, this did take a few hours to make the bread, and it's kind of flattened on top, but I believe that's done. We'll just let that go a little bit longer. And let's have a look at our soup. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to take the soup and the bread over to the counter for dishing up. All right, Howard is home. So let's dig in. Oh, was that a good drink of water, Gracie? Of course. Look at this. You know Daddy's going to share that piece of turkey with Gracie. Mmm. Now, we just need some bread and butter. Can you guys see? Okay. Here's our bread. I hope it's cooked all the way through, folks. Oh, look at that! Now the bread is really hot, so I don't want to cut anymore until it cools down some. But we will make sure that Papa has his bread and butter with his dinner. Somebody said, why do you call him father even though your sons are grown men? I said, force of habit. And there's our bread and butter. Pepper this. And take it to Papa. So, oh, yeah.
Moving right in.
Moving right on in. This is turkey and chicken noodle soup, homemade noodles, you know all that, and homemade bread. And I did all of this on the wood stove.
Right on.
Yep. So old Hydro Quebec didn't get their nickel today. Try the bread. I'm letting it cool down, but it's really, really fluffy because I cut it hot.
No, it's very good. On a hot day.
On a cold day, you mean?
Cold day.
Yes, damp, eh?
Long day.
Long, cold day. Uh-oh. What about baby pants? Oh my goodness. Yum, 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 yum. Daddy's going to share some turkey with you too, isn't he?
He will.
So, Papa and Gracie approved? Thank you, darling. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, yeah, it actually was a lot of work. But then Ma Ingalls didn't have to set up, record, edit, and upload all her work. But you get the idea. We're going to do more of these. What do you think? Mwah! Take care. God bless.